Bridge Health Services. I hold a bachelor's degree in psychology, a master's in clinical mental health, and I'm currently defending my Ph.D. in education. I've worked across the fields of addiction, trauma, crisis response, and system navigation. I've spent my entire career helping people survive and rebuild when the systems around them fall short. I'm here tonight to speak about the obstacles we've encountered trying to serve people experiencing homelessness in Greensboro. Obstacles not from funding or staffing or logistics, but from the very organizations entrusted to serve them. Beacon Bridge has repeatedly attempted to collaborate with the Interactive Resource Center, IRC. We've sent emails, made phone calls, and stopped by in person, trying to coordinate care and bring additional resources into the fold. In return, we've been stonewalled and ignored. Most recently, Jim King, the chairman of the board at the IRC, dismissed our services as repetitive. Let me be clear, our services are not repetitive. They are essential, and they are deeply needed. We provide virtual access to medication-assisted treatment, peer support, post-crisis care coordination, and boots-on-the-ground intervention when people are exiting jails, hospitals, shelters, or psychiatric units. These are not services the IRC is offering, nor are they services the IRC is equipped to provide. Our model is built to fill gaps, not duplicate efforts. To say we are repetitive is not only inaccurate, it's irresponsible. We are ready and willing to share documentation of every unanswered message and meeting request. It paints a disturbing picture. This is not a resource center acting in the public's best interest. It's one gatekept by personal bias and control. In the meantime, our neighbors are suffering. People are dying on the streets of Greensboro, and while we show up day after day ready to help, we're told to stand down by an agency that claims to be a hub for support. Beacon Bridge is not asking for money. We are not seeking recognition. We're simply asking to be allowed to do the work. We are asking for the chance to save lives without being blocked by the ego of a board chairman or the politics of a nonprofit that has forgotten its mission. I urge this council to take a hard look at how these public-private partnerships are functioning. Who are they really serving? Because right now it is not the people outside in the heat, in the rain, and in the cold. We are here. We are qualified. We are ready. The only thing we're missing is permission. Thank you.
Good evening, Madam Mayor and council members. My name is Joshua Steinbeck, and I also work with Beacon Bridge as an MHTP, and I hold a bachelor's from UNCG in Peace and Conflict Studies. I also have spent a good portion of my career. I worked at Fellowship Hall for 5 years as a TA. Wonderful experience and wonderful company. And I came before you all tonight. I also wanted to give a special thanks to the Greensboro Police Department. They've been excellent with when I was at various institutions, whether it's Fellowship Hall, RHA. All of my clients have had nothing but positive things to say about the police department when they're undergoing crisis, whether it's mental health or substance abuse. So I did want to say that. The reason I came before y'all tonight is because in my work as an MHTP with Beacon Bridge, I am consistently stonewalled by the Pallet House. That's a new initiative I'm sure y'all are aware of off I-40. Several of my clients live there, and in the course of my work, I attempt to find them housing and resources and jobs. And I understand that the people who run the Pallet House have concerns about unsavory people coming onto the property, but I've consistently asked for there to be a better system in which people with legitimate business own the property can meet with their clients who are living there. And I've consistently been told to either park in the turning lane or park. It's right off of I-40 in the no park zone, which is a serious safety violation. If I'm meeting with people in my car or waiting on them and there's nowhere for me to park, and I'm told I cannot park in the parking lot that is next to the pallet house, and it's been very frustrating to me. I'm not asking for money or resources or anything. I'm simply asking to use the parking lot at the pallet house in order to conduct my business with my clients, because I'm trying to provide them services that they desperately need. And I've been told that I cannot be there, essentially, and all I'm asking the council is to try to find a solution that could keep the clients safe and keep the employees safe that are trying to provide these services. Because I believe that the IRC also oversees the pallet house, and it is a situation in which, I've never experienced stonewalling to this magnitude. So thank you for letting me share and talk to you guys.
Thank you. After Ms. Montgomery, Malik Hugh, Latoya Cruz Rivas, and Ted White.